Hello everyone, you are welcome in DP Singh classes and I am Dr. DP Singh and we will study today bilinear form and quadratic forms. The question is that is a question. Determine a non-singular matrix P such that P dash AP is diagonal matrix. Matrix A to be given, interpret the result in terms of quadratic form. Solution. We write A equals to I A identity 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Applying congruent operation. Applying congruent operations. R2 operated by R2 plus 1 upon 3 R1 C2 plus 1 upon 3 C1, that is congruent operation for row second and column second. R2 R3 minus 1 upon 3 R1 and R2 C3 minus 1 upon 3 C1. Six 0 0 0 7 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 0 minus 1 upon 3 7 upon 3 1 0 0 1 upon 3 1 0 and minus 1 upon 3 0 1 1 0 0 1 upon 3 1 0 minus 1 upon 3 0 1 and applying again congruent operation. Operation R3 plus 1 upon 7 R2 and C3 plus 1 upon 7 C2. Six 0 0 0 7 upon 3 0 0 0 16 upon 7 1 0 0 1 upon 3 1 0 minus 2 upon 7 1 upon 7 1 A 1 0 0 1 upon 3 1 0 minus 2 upon 7 1 upon 7 1, that is form P dash AP, where P equals to 1 0 1 0 0 1 upon 3 1 0 minus 2 upon 7 1 upon 7 1 P dash AP, where P equals to, that is P and that is P dash. P dash means P transpose of P, and according to the question P is non singular, where and mode P not equals to 0. Matrix P is non singular. Matrix P is non-singular because determinant of P is non-zero. And next P dash AP, P dash AP, P dash AP, P dash AP, diagonal 6 7 upon 3 16 upon 7 diagonal form is diagonal matrix. Interpret the result in term of quadratic form. Quadratic form x transpose into Ax equals to 6x1 square plus 3x2 square plus 3x3 square 4x1 x2 plus 4 x1 x3 minus 2 x2 x3 x1 x3 4 and next quadratic form diagonal form linear transformation x equals to py x1 x2 x3 p 1 1 upon 3 minus 2 upon 7 0 1 1 upon 7 0 0 1 y y1 y2 y3 x1 equals to y1 plus 1 upon 3 y2 2 upon 7 y3 x2 y2 1 upon 7 y3 x3 equals to y3. Diagonal form y dash y transpose p transpose AP y equals to 6y1 square seven upon 3 y2 square plus 16 upon 7 y3 square. That is a diagonal form. स्टूडेंट्स इसको अगेन रिपीट करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, मैट्रिक्स ए may be written as A equals to identity A identity 3 by 3 and operated, and we change into diagonal form, and then after it quadratic form x transpose x into Ax, that is a quadratic form. Linear transformation x equals to Py x x1 x2 x3 P, that is matrix P which is non singular, and y means y1 y2 y3, multiplying them and equating. Diagonal form transpose y into transpose P A P y equals to 6y1 square. Diagonal 6 7 upon 3 16 upon 7. The diagonal form 6y1 square plus 7 upon 3 y2 square plus 16 upon 7 y3 square. That is the diagonal form, and that is quadratic form. That's all.